Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade XAUUSD on Webull using an easy method. XAUUSD, often called gold, represents the spot price of 1 troy ounce of gold versus the US dollar. Webull offers a fantastic platform with many tools to help you make informed trading decisions. We'll cover everything from setting up your account to placing your first trade and managing risk effectively. Get ready to learn how to navigate the exciting world of gold trading with confidence. First, you'll need to open a Webull brokerage account. This involves a few simple verification steps to ensure everything is secure. Once your account is approved, you can easily fund it with a minimum deposit, perhaps $50, to get started. Then, navigate to the search bar within the Webull app or desktop platform. Simply type in XAUUSD to find the gold versus US dollar trading pair and prepare for your trade. Now, let's dive into analyzing XAUUSD. Webull provides excellent charting tools and a wide array of technical indicators, like the Moving Average Convergence Divergence or Relative Strength Index, to help you understand market trends. Based on your analysis, determine your entry and exit points. You can then place a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to buy or sell at a specific price, giving you more control. Finally, and most importantly, always practice sound risk management. Consider implementing stop-loss orders to automatically close a trade if the price moves against you, limiting potential losses to, say, 1% of your capital. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversify your portfolio and continuously educate yourself on market trends and new trading strategies. This approach will help you trade XAUUSD responsibly and potentially profitably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.